Assalamualaikum, my name is Vijaya Saida Hussain, and today I come before you on behalf of Eric Rossetti. In the heart of Los Angeles, there is a place in which has now been dubbed Little Bangladesh. And when the idea of Little Bangladesh was just emerging, Eric Rossetti, as well as Tom LeBon, were our greatest support in creating this dream. And today, Eric Rossetti is running for Los Angeles mayor. So please, on March 5th, vote for Eric Rossetti, who has assisted us in creating our home away from home. And now I will present a few video clips as the Bengali community works with Eric Rossetti.
First thing, I thank you, Mr. Dr. Hashim and Shohid Bhai, other all, to just he invite everybody here. You guys are born and raised in this country. Then you go to the school, good education, college, everything. But Mr. Eric Garcetti, his father was a district attorney in Los Angeles. He's a very prominent man. Everybody knows him. We know his father almost 30 years ago, right? Me and Shamim and Dr. Hashim, everybody. His son, he's born in 1971, and Bangladesh is born in 1971. And he's one of the great friends from Bangladesh, especially when Little Bangladesh signed in Los Angeles, he helped us. He's the number one. Then this time everybody work for him. You guys are new generation. I would like to thanks all of you to attend this meeting today, and you guys are called for him. He's inshallah he is mayor of next 2013 in Los Angeles.
Good morning. It's my privilege that we are here today in support of Eric Garcetti as a mayor of Los Angeles. I like to thank all the youth that they are here today for doing the phone bank, and I want him to be successful as a mayor, and I wish him good luck, and thank you all for coming.
Short briefing actually for what we're supposed to focus on, and our job is to ask for the vote for the Eric Garcetti. So please focus on it, and try to convince the people so they can convince, and they can, if somebody is not undecided, you have to make him, on behalf of his support. So ask for the support, and also the step by step the process. This is the first day, so it's not easy for you. But once you have done one or two, then you will understand what you are doing.
All you guys for the volunteering for the election campaign for Eric Garcetti. He is the candidate of mayor in Los Angeles. So the main goal is to come here to campaign for him to collect the vote in favor of Eric Garcetti. So we are going to do make a phone call to the voters and try to get the vote and support for Eric Garcetti in favor of him to win the election.
We are here today. So many kids, so many youth people, youth group. We call you to come in here to help us and help out our community issues. I'd like to know who are the present here, our youth group. How many people born in Bangladesh? 3 of you. Okay, rest of 4. Okay, rest of them born in America. Okay, even though born in America, they are definitely the citizen of American, and those who born in Bangladesh, meanwhile, definitely you are the citizen of America too. The reason I'm just talking in this issue, as you know that we are the peoples like our age, we are the first generation of this country. Somebody came in 75, 80, 85, 90, something like that. So our much generation came to this country after 1990, when our government get some opportunity from USA like DB1, OP1, something like that. So we can say our main community grown in this Los Angeles, including the whole America, it is after 1990. So after 1990, today is 2003, is almost 23 years. We have to think about now, within these 23 years, what is our achievement? What we achieve as a community member? What we achieve as a Bangladeshi American people in this country? Our achievement is not less and also not enough. As you know that we achieved our little Bangladesh. There is a lot of things to talk about the little Bangladesh. I'm not going to go in that side now. That is our achievement, is the big achievement. The whole universe recognize us that we did something good for the Bangladesh. And we are representing in Los Angeles as a Bangladeshi, and the whole other ethnic group of the peoples in this area living, they know who we are and what is the Bangladesh and what is the Bangladesh. So ultimately, what I want to say that my origin, my root is Bangladesh. Those who born you in Bangladesh, definitely you also, your root also in Bangladesh. Even if you are a citizen of this country, if you born in here and brought up in this country, if somebody asks you, what is your origin, what is your root? Definitely you're not going to say the USA. You definitely will say that my root is Bangladesh. Because my parents came from Bangladesh, that's why we are here. Not even that. After your generation, when we're going to be the third generation, like your daughter, your son, or your grandson, whatever the time it would be, they're going to ask the same question, what is our origin? They will also will say the same thing, that our actually origin is Bangladesh, even though we are born and brought up and everything is doing here. So the reason is that we are directly from Bangladesh, our root, we are connected directly to the Bangladesh. We are trying our best to prove Bangladesh as a peaceful country. Bangladesh is a nice country. Bangladeshi community are very nice. We already proved it in our so many social activities, through social activities. So last 20 or 23 years, we achieved little Bangladesh. Our lot of peoples having their small business, large business, corporate business. So if you think about the achievement, our achievement is not less. So only the less our achievement is that we still till today, we didn't have any opportunity, we didn't have any opportunity to enter into the mainstream politics with the mainstream politician. And this is the time, as because Mayor Garcetti, Eric Garcetti, he is a very good friend of Bangladeshi people. All of the Bangladeshi people likes him because of he has a very nice record. He had done a lot of things about the little Bangladesh. He supported little Bangladesh. Without his support and Tom Laban's support, it was completely impossible to have our name in this soil like as a little Bangladesh. So the person who is helping us so much, now he is asking the help for us. And this is our golden opportunity with the hand, holding his hand, there is opportunity can go and enter into the mainstream politics. This is the golden opportunity in front of us. So what are you going to do? Definitely we're going to apply this our opportunity. We're going to take our opportunity. That's the reason we called all of you here. We, as a community, as a vibrant community, we will work for Eric Garcetti. As you know, there are 5 candidates in these moments just fighting for the primary. Out of 5, there will be 2 candidates is going to be fighting for the final destination. And till today, Shamim Bhai, as he mentioned, the Eric Garcetti is still in the number 1 position. So we are pretty much sure that he's going to win the primary this coming Tuesday. And once he win the primary, then the real fight will begin. So we have to do work, we have to support Eric Garcetti. That's why we call all of you, we're going to form a team today. Whatever the time you have, whatever the opportunity you have, if you cooperate with us, that will be greatly appreciated. And Eric Garcetti said that they're going to issue a certificate of recognition that whatever the hours you work for this campaign, and you will get the certificate, and that certificate is going to be very valuable for your academic year in the career, and you can apply to any university, college, and show this working record in your resume. So many things you know better than I know. So we are taking that. We want to take this kind of opportunity from now on, and inshallah from today we are united. We are going to start our campaign till our fight is finished. The final fight is going to be May 25th. May 25th. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, these 2 days, we're going to work for him as much as we can, and then Tuesday afternoon after 7 o'clock, if you have time, you can go to the main campaign office in Studio City, and you will enjoy with Eric Garcetti with his victory. That is a
victory party.
There is an opportunity. There is an opportunity. Now let me come down to the papers that I provide to you. As you see that we have given you the 4 pages of records. Number 1, number 2, and number 3.
The primary election for the mayor candidate, and also they have the council member, our district. So the reason we're going for that Mr. Eric Garcetti, because he is the one, you know that our district name is now Little Bangladesh. So he helped a lot about this Little Bangladesh when we have this crisis going on. And the city hall, he was like a city council president. Among 13 the council member, he was the president of the council member. So he helped a lot about that, how we can make the name the Little Bangladesh. So that's the reason we help him in, and also that he's a Democrat, and we're the Democrats also. And but when he's going to become the mayor, and we're going to get a lot of things from him, that maybe other things like we have the Shohid Minar, this is our number 1 priority. Second list we have, and our community, like we're going to have the small, the center for the community center. So he's a very nice person, and he promised a lot of things to do for us. And now this is our time to make him that as a mayor of Los Angeles. This is the primary. And when you do the primary, then you're going to have the final one is coming the 25th of May. That will be the final election for the mayor. There's the 2 candidates running very neck to neck. Is like Wendy Gruhl. She's the second runner. Today, if you see the newspaper today, other times, the Eric Garcetti is still number 1. As 7 times in a row, he came like a number 1. He's leading 27%, and the Wendy Gruhl is at 25. And there's a Jan Perry, the other candidate. So we thank you very much for doing this these things, and hopefully we're doing like our big events. And we're going to introduce you people in front of our Eric Garcetti. I wish he can come today, but today he's very busy because Tuesday we have the election. So he is going to now all the church, the community, and he's visiting over there. We met him on last Friday in our mosque, the Vermont mosque. He came and he gave his speech like a 5-10 minutes. So next time, hopefully between now